Welcome.
You are watching Line Screw 1.
Yeah.
Like way bigger.
Well, we might as well start here with something interesting, the 2022 Talaro 2018. Of course, these prices are all in Canadian dollars. Yours to be saved, $14,900 today. Your price, $164,999 in Canadian dollars. $1,100 a month. Here's the layout. Let's go inside and check it out. Well, I like what they've done on the back side here with the 12 volt plugs and the 120 volt plugs. See what we got for storage. Oh, that's nice and ample. Yes, we got a step system. Let's go inside and check it out.
I don't know. Did you look up top? I could never get up there to go sleep. And they come down in the middle of the night.
Well, I'll sleep up there, you guys.
Air conditioning. Very nice cabinets. Kind of almost look aviation style.
That's true.
Cute USB
Small bathroom.
plugs in there. Get the little flexi light. So that is your bedding situation. I imagine these come together. Have a lot of cabinet space. Oh, okay, we got some of the appliances under there. Now for me, the toilet is a very important thing here. That's a wet bath. I'm gonna have to live with the fact that there are no lights on right now. This is a very tiny bathroom. Extremely tiny. Very small microwave.
Now does that turn into a bed?
2-burner galley.
Junkie ladder.
1, 2.
Mom, could I go up here?
Fridge with a very tiny freezer.
This is the Lucy area.
Hey, you kids, does it look fun up there? The top bunk is popular with the kids. So let's go up to the top and get a view from down below. Well, it's a very nice sized sleeping area up here. This is where I'd prefer to sleep because you've got a lot of room. And the seating area is nice. I like these foldable tables. And here's the view from over here. So this van, in spite of only being 20 feet long, can easily sleep 4 people. Probably can even fit in 5 if you had to. Let's look at the cockpit now. Of course, we got swivel chairs. A lot of extra storage up here. I'm wondering if this actually can make into a bed where you could actually have a 5th person. I'm wondering. Couple interesting things of note. Notice that this is elevated, and of course there is more storage under there. That's kind of an interesting idea. More storage under here too. Oh, we got some plumbing under there. Yeah, I like it. A little pricey for the size, but definitely an interesting van. Let's do a walk around on the outside. There's the view. Of course, it's on the Ram 3500 Promaster. Well, there you go, folks. Okay, we got the Winnebago camper van here. This is the Solus, and it is sold. So we have no idea what this thing sells for, but it's got another one of those pop-up roofs. Let's go in and check it out. Looks like this season there's a lot of units with the pop-up roof. It's kind of like the flavor of the month. Nice, beautiful, dark cockpit there. And here is the stairway to heaven. Let's go take the stairway to heaven up to see what it looks like. That's a good amount of room up there. It's even got a vent, which is a smart idea. Seating area. Of course, having this ladder here destroys this space for use. Of course, you can stow that ladder away when you're not using it. Fridge is positioned here. That's interesting. 2-burner sink. Now, the turdlet. Very important for me. I gotta see what the size of the turdlet is. Oh, it's another tiny turdlet. Yeah, well, I like it when it's laid out that way rather than this way. But you could dangle your feet out. Having a shower is going to be a bit of a stretch. Very low clearance. Of course, this bar could come out, but this ceiling clearance is probably right at around 6'1" at the most. Anyway. Yeah, not impressed with the toilet, but at least it has one, and at least it has a shower. Okay, let's move on to the back here. The typical flip-down sleeping arrangements. It's alright. Of course, they don't have the back doors open because there's other RVs parked there, but anyway, this is what it looks like from this angle. Oh, good. Thank you very much for waving.
Sorry.
You'll be very famous. Oh, we do have the show price here, $144.95. Of course, that's Canadian money, so it's like it's free. Just kidding. So that's the Winnebago Solus. Okay, we got the Recon here. 2021 4x4 van. This is something the static camper van should get. It's yours for $189.9 Canadian dollars, so it's not like it's that much money. The adventure van. Oh, the big Truma. It's very interesting that they mounted it there. Okay, let's go in the back. Let's start at the back. Nice step there. Let's go. It's nice and gritty too. Oh, we'll have this gentleman demonstrate it. See how much space we got. That's a room to sleep or store in the back. Beautiful LED lighting, air conditioning on the roof. Very nice. Let's hop aboard and check it out. Okay. Okay, so the bedding is obviously a flip down design. More cargo storage nets. Here is the actual sink. It looks like somebody tried to turn it on and they got antifreeze all over the place. Yeah, I've got the battery system on here. Oh, that's very nice.
I was just calling to briefly tell you that there was
Very
a
interesting.
conundrum that I was.
Let's see what we got under here. Water storage. Oh, that's very neat. Interesting design. Big Truma. I guess this would be a compressor fridge. Let's go see what the water closet looks like. Wow. Well, it's a wet bath. Pretty compact. But at least they put some thought that you can use this for storage. I do love this idea because a lot of people don't use their bathrooms very much. Why not put cabinets in? That makes a lot of sense. Okay, here's the view from this direction.
Cubicle on there.
And the cockpit. Nice dark cockpit. There's a little bit of wasted space here. I guess you could store stuff. So we got a table that comes out. Well, it's very utilitarian. Wouldn't be my style of a van that I'd want to live in permanently, but obviously it could be done. Obviously we got forced air furnace down below. Fantastic fan. Yeah, it's very clean, very tidy. Let's go see the outside.
Yeah.
Plenty of clearance. Of course, we're on the Mercedes platform. Everybody either loves or hates Mercedes. You love it when it performs well, you hate it when it's expensive to fix.
Very specialized.
But you're right, just like that gentleman said, it's a very specialized unit. So let's see what this looks like from over here. It's popular to look at. I don't think a lot of people would want to buy it, but it's definitely for somebody. Okay, well, that is the Pleasure Recon 4x4. Yours today, $189,000 Canadian.
Gonna figure out what we've done, what we need to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.